Yusuf Essa, known as Choppee. The Choppee journey story is one for the books, literally. This isn't just some boring business biopic. This is about a guy from Pretoria, South Africa, and his journey from hot dog vendor to property guru. Born and raised in South Africa, Yusuf's early life was all about family, community, and the hustle. Even as a young kid, Yusuf had this entrepreneurial spark. But the path to success isn't always paved with gold. Sometimes it's paved with sausages and ketchup. He wasn't afraid to roll up his sleeves and get to work. Little did he know this early hustle was shaping him for something much, much bigger. This is just the beginning, people. Hold on tight. Yusuf's story is about to become even more saucy. Now picture this. A young Yusuf, full of energy, working that hot dog stand as a vendor. He wasn't just grilling sausages, he was grilling the idea that he was destined for bigger things. Every customer interaction, every rand earned fueled his ambition. Yusuf knew this hot dog gig was temporary, a stepping stone to something greater. He had this hunger for success, and not just the kind satisfied by a chili cheese dog. From hot dog vendor to a budding entrepreneur. Yusuf started out as a shopkeeper, after which he went into wholesale and retail of fast-moving consumer goods. Yusuf found his passion in real estate after 29 years in business. Yusuf and his late wife founded the CHOPROP brand in 2007 and has never looked back ever since. And that, my friends, is where it all started. He saw the booming property market in South Africa and knew that was his chance to level up. Yusuf realized that people always need a place to live, a place to call home. He wanted to be the guy who helped them find it. So Yusuf took a leap of faith. He left the familiar world of retailing and dove headfirst into the fast-paced world of real estate. He knew it wouldn't be easy, especially starting with limited resources and experience. But let me tell you, this guy was determined. He devoured every book, every article, everything he could get his hands on about real estate. He learned from the best, networked like crazy, and soaked up knowledge like a sponge. And guess what? His hard work paid off. Yusuf had a knack for this real estate business. He could connect with people, understand their needs, and find them the perfect property. Word spread about this passionate, hard-working young man making waves in the real estate scene. People were drawn to his honesty, his integrity, and his genuine desire to assist. He wasn't just in it for a quick buck. He wanted to build lasting relationships with his clients. Okay, folks, get ready for this. Yusuf's real estate journey was about to reach a whole new level. He had a vision to create a real estate company unlike any other, a company built on trust, transparency, and a deep commitment to customer satisfaction. And you know what he called it? CHOPROP. Catchy, right? This wasn't just a name, it was a statement. Yusuf put his heart and soul into CHOPROP. He built it on the same values he'd learned back in his hot dog days: hard work, dedication, and a relentless focus on customer service. And you know what? People noticed. CHOPROP quickly gained a reputation for its integrity, its professionalism, and its genuine desire to help clients achieve their property dreams. Under Yusuf's guidance, CHOPROP grew from a small local agency to a global real estate powerhouse. A legacy of awards and accolades. Hold on to your hats, because Yusuf's success story is about to get even more impressive. As CHOPROP thrived, so did Yusuf's reputation as a visionary leader and a true innovator in the real estate industry. He wasn't in it for the awards, but they came pouring in, recognizing his exceptional achievements and CHOPROP's commitment to excellence. Yusuf's story became an inspiration, proving that with hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of heart, anything is possible. But Yusuf never let the success go to his head. Empowering the future. The CHOPROP Academy of Learning. Now, here comes the truly inspiring part. Yusuf, being the stand-up guy he is, knew he couldn't keep all his success secrets to himself. He wanted to pay it forward, to empower others to achieve their dreams just like he did. So, he established the CHOPROP Academy of Learning. This wasn't just some fancy name, it was a game changer for aspiring entrepreneurs, especially from disadvantaged backgrounds. The Academy of Learning provided training, mentorship, and skills development programs, giving individuals the tools they needed to succeed in the competitive world of real estate. By encouraging individuals to join CHOPROP in the world of real estate, they would become trade partners. This was a win-win situation for everyone. Yusuf believed in providing opportunities to those who needed them most, empowering them to create a better future for themselves and their communities. beyond business, a heart for community. Now, you might think that's enough for one lifetime, right? Building a global business, winning awards, empowering thousands. But not Yusuf. He believed in giving back, in using his success to make a real difference in the lives of others. Yusuf was passionate about social responsibility and community development. He established the CHOPROP Foundation, dedicated to supporting education, social welfare, and poverty alleviation initiatives in South Africa. Yusuf believed that everyone deserved a chance to succeed, regardless of their background or circumstances. From funding schools to supporting social welfare initiatives, the CHOPROP Foundation touched the lives of countless individuals, bringing hope and opportunity to communities in need. The Yusuf Essa inspiration, a beacon of determination. Yusuf Essa's story, my friends, is nothing short of extraordinary. It's a story that proves that with hard work, dedication, and an unwavering belief in yourself, anything is possible. From those humble beginnings as a hot dog vendor in the streets of Pretoria to becoming a global real estate icon, Yusuf's journey is a testament to the power of dreaming big and never giving up. He didn't just build a successful business, he built a legacy of excellence, integrity, and a deep commitment to making a positive impact on the world. Yusuf's story is an inspiration to us all, a reminder that no matter where we come from or what challenges we face, we all have the potential to achieve greatness. So, the next time you're feeling lost, unsure, or just need a little inspiration, remember Yusuf Essa's story.